Alright guys, so today we're gonna be installing the remainder of the parts on the car. I got in the headlights. I didn't record it obviously because they were just simple things. So I got in the headlights. I got in my radiator bar. This part, you can see the sticker. And then I also got in my radiator supports that I purchased. And besides those things, I also installed my rear windshield wiper delete. I also took off that sticker because I didn't really like it. So honestly, I think it looks a lot cleaner. But like I said, today we're gonna be installing the rest of the parts. They're just little parts, nothing too crazy. But yeah. So we have. I purchased the EM2 sway bar. I have the intake to install. I have the sway bar bushings. I also have a sensor I need to install. Hood pins. Anything else? And I also need to cut the bumper for the fog lights. So we're gonna go ahead and start. Oh. Okay, so let me go. And grab the intake. And the rest of the pieces should be up there. Okay, so I think we're gonna set the camera up like let me put the camera about right there. Okay. Alright guys, so after struggling with the intake, I finally got the hose, got the clamps, got this clamp, and got these. So it's all ready. I don't know if I want this sticker on or not. Yeah, I'll keep it on. Whatever. There you go. So now we got that done. Let's see what parts we have left. So from the parts we have left, we're gonna go ahead and put my sway bar in along with my sway bar bushings. So let's go ahead and get this. And so we are done with the engine bay. The engine bay is done. This is the final look for it. I think it looks sick, honestly. There could be some better things, you know, clean up some wires, or no, not the wires, but it's already tugged harness, but some hoses and things like that. But other than that, I think it looks pretty sick. So this is done. The engine bay is completely done. Go ahead and install the sway bar and the sway bar bushing. So alright guys, so we finally got the sway bar in.